everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making apricot chicken. So this is one of my family favorites. It uses chicken thighs, apricot nectar and some apricots and makes this delicious sweet and sour dish that you can serve over rice or over mashed potatoes. I absolutely love it. It's really delicious and it's also really quick and really easy to make. It's one pot and yeah, let's get started. So over medium-high heat, I'm heating up 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to start off making our apricot chicken by browning our chicken thighs. Once our pan is nice and hot, I'm going to add all of our chicken thighs. So I've got 750 grams of chicken thighs that we are going to want to brown nicely. And you're just wanting to brown it at this stage. This dish is going to go into the oven so that all the chicken thighs get cooked through. We're just wanting to brown at this stage. Alright, now that our chicken is browned, I'm going to put it into a plate, and what we're going to do is we're going to start caramelizing our onion. So we're not cooking our chicken through at this point, we're just caramelizing it. Now I've got my pan on medium-high heat. I'm going to put in 1 onion that has been thinly sliced. So we're going to allow the onion to become nice and translucent, and once we've done that, I'll bring you back and we will get started with the rest of the apricot sauce. Okay, so our onion is nice and translucent. We are going to now add 2 cloves of garlic that I have finely chopped, or you can crush it if you like. I just finely chopped it, and we're going to allow that just to become fragrant in the pan. That should take about 30 seconds. And you'll see that the dark stuff at the bottom of my pan, that's not burnt, that's just caramelization from the onions and the chicken that we were roasting, and that'll all come off once we put our wet mixture in there. Okay, now that our garlic is nice and fragrant, I'm going to add 1 cup of apricot nectar. And you can just buy the apricot nectar in a can. I then have half a packet of French onion soup mix that I have mixed with 1/3 of a cup of water. And I also have 6 apricot halves from a can, and that's just in natural juice. So now that it's thickened slightly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my chicken back, and we're going to bake this for 45 minutes. And we're also going to add back any juice that came out of the chicken as well while it was resting. So I'm going to put my lid on. I'm using this cast iron pan. I'm turning my flame off, and it's going into a preheated 180-degree oven for 45 minutes, and then we're going to uncover it and cook it for another 15 minutes. Alright, so it's been in the oven for 45 minutes. I'm just now going to take the lid off. So I've taken the lid off. We're going to allow this to cook uncovered for another 15 minutes and then we're going to take it out and enjoy. The apricot chicken is now out of the oven, so it's spent a full hour in the oven, 45 minutes uncovered and 15 minutes covered. The last thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to coat them in a bit more sauce, put some onions over them. I'm just waiting. And you'll see that our chicken is really tender. I'm serving these with mashed potato tonight. So if you want to see how I make my mashed potato as a recipe basic, feel free to leave a comment. I'll make that, if you want to see it, I'll make that as one of my videos. You'll see that I've got some potatoes boiling. Once I start making the mashed potatoes, I'll serve it up and I'll show you what it looks like. And now it's time to get it all served up. So I'm serving it with mashed potatoes tonight. I've also served it over steamed rice, so it's completely up to you how you serve it. Here I've got my mound of mashed potatoes. The thigh fillets are so soft that you can probably eat this just with a fork. So we're going to go and we're going to enjoy it. I hope you make this, I hope you like it, and I hope to see you next time on Do It Frugal. Bye!